So as you can see here, I'm writing my email, and this is actually a real conversation with my customer, but my customer is French, so I'm writing this in English and I would like to translate this into French. So what I can do is to just select all my text like this, and then I just press Ctrl plus Alt plus a space. So watch what happens. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus space now. And as you can see, my conversation will be instantly translated into French. Well, there's this little glitch because this /r means that it's a new line. So, well, I have to remove this manually. But as you can see, if you speak any French, it looks pretty much okay. And I think I can now just send it. So of course this only works because there is this special software running in the background, which we have here. It's called Bohemicus, and this software is actually special software for translators to allow them to use machine translation or speech-to-text capabilities or many other productivity improving features in their CAT tools or in Outlook or in Microsoft Office or whatever. And as you can see, this is one of the features of Bohemicus, which I can use to machine translate actually any texts in any application. As you can see, I can just select my language, which in this case will be from English into French, but I can choose any language I want. So let's leave it as French, because with this customer I am writing my emails in French. So this is how you actually use, you can use DeepL or 3 other machine translation engines in Microsoft Outlook. As you can see, you can choose from Google, MyMemory, DeepL, or Modern MT. So it's very easy, and thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.